Hey there, and welcome to Optimum Life Path 365. This is a step-by-step guide to mastering your personal finances. Whether you're struggling to make sense of your budget or just want better control over your money, this video is for you. By the end, you'll have a clear, actionable plan to make your finances work for you. So, grab a notebook or your favorite budgeting app, and let's dive in. The first step to mastering your finances is understanding your income. This includes your regular paycheck, but don't forget about side hustles, freelance work, or any passive income. For example, let's say you make $3,000 from your job, $200 from a part-time gig, and $100 from selling products online. Your total monthly income is $3,300. Write it down. It's the foundation for all your financial planning. Next, let's talk about expenses. You need to know exactly where your money is going. For 1 month, track every expense. Yes, even that $5 coffee or $10 takeout meal. Here's how. Create categories like rent, utilities, groceries, dining out, and subscriptions. You can use a simple notebook, a spreadsheet, or an app like Mint or EveryDollar. For example, if you spend $1,200 on rent, $300 on groceries, and $100 on streaming services, write these numbers down. This process will help you identify where you can cut back. Pause the video and jot down your last month's spending in as much detail as you can. If you don't have receipts, estimate your daily expenses. Once you know your income and expenses, it's time to calculate your cash flow. Cash flow is the money left over after all your expenses. For example, if your income is $3,300 and your total expenses are $2,800, your cash flow is $500. If your expenses exceed your income, don't panic. We'll talk about how to fix that soon. Positive cash flow means you're saving money, while negative cash flow means you're overspending. This number is your financial health checkup, so always keep an eye on it. Debt can feel like a heavy weight, but there's a way to manage it effectively. Start by listing all your debts, credit cards, student loans, car loans, along with their balances and interest rates. Prioritize paying off high-interest debt first using the avalanche method. Or, if you prefer quick wins, pay off smaller balances first using the snowball method. For instance, if you owe $5,000 on a credit card with 20% interest and $3,000 on a car loan with 5% interest, focus on the credit card first. Pay the minimum on the car loan and put as much as you can toward the credit card. Now let's focus on savings. Start with an emergency fund. This is your safety net for unexpected expenses like car repairs or medical bills. Aim for 3 to 6 months worth of expenses. Don't worry if that feels overwhelming. Begin with a small goal like saving $1,000. Automate your savings by setting up a direct deposit into a separate account. Even $50 a month makes a difference. Remember, saving is about consistency, not perfection. Every little bit adds up. Let's pull everything together with a budget. A simple starting point is the 50/30/20 rule. Divide your income into 3 categories: 50% for needs, 30% for wants, and 20% for savings or debt repayment. For example, if you earn $3,000, allocate $1,500 for needs like rent and groceries, $900 for wants like dining out, and $600 for savings or debt. Pause here and try applying the 50/30/20 rule to your own income. Adjust the percentages if necessary. It's your budget, so make it work for you. The final step is monitoring your progress. Set a monthly reminder to review your finances. Are you staying within your budget? If not, identify what needs adjusting. For example, if your dining out expenses keep creeping up, consider cooking at home more often. Financial success isn't about being perfect. It's about staying consistent and making small improvements over time. And there you have it, 7 simple steps to master your personal finances. Remember, progress takes time, so be patient with yourself. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and share it with someone who might need it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.